A little boat made with love. Will it reach the hands it was made for? A boy named Niko made this boat. He made it for one small child.
And you? Did you ever make something for someone you love? Tell me in the comments, in English.
Before the story, here are some words for today. Say them with me, slow and clear. To give. I give. You give. To give is to put a thing in a kind hand. A gift. A gift is a thing you give with love. It is a gift. To sail. A boat sails on the water. The red sail catches the wind. Smooth. Smooth is soft, with no sharp edge. The small stone is smooth. To shine. To shine is to send small light. The sea can shine in the sun. The tide. The tide is the sea coming in and going out. The tide is low now. And one more. I made this for you. This is a kind thing to say. We will use it today. It is late afternoon. The light is gold and soft. Niko stands by the harbor wall. In his 2 hands, he holds a small paper boat. It has a red sail and a tiny painted star.
I made this boat slowly, a little every day. I was patient.
Do you remember? On this same sea, the little boat once drifted away. Niko did not run. He waited, and the tide brought it back.
Now the boat is dry and safe. Today is the day. Today I give it.
But where is the child? Wait and see. Niko walks along the wet stone step by the sea. He holds the boat close, away from the water. A small gull sits on the step. One wing is low. The gull is tired.
Hello, little gull. Do not be afraid.
Niko kneels down. He moves slow and soft. He helps the gull onto a dry, warm stone.
There. Now you can rest.
The gull is calm. Niko stands up. He keeps the boat safe and dry. He smiles. Then he looks down the harbor. Far away, by a quiet tide pool, there is a small figure.
Is that her? Is that Lena?
He cannot see her face yet. He walks closer. Wait. Look with him.
Now we can see her. A small child sits by the tide pool. Her name is Lena.
Niko, you came back.
Lena has dark curly hair and bright happy eyes. She waited a long time for this day. She was patient, too.
Hello, Lena. I have something for you.
For me? What is it?
Niko opens his hands. There it is. The little boat, the red sail, the tiny star.
Oh, a boat. A little paper boat.
Yes, I made this for you.
Lena looks at the boat. Her eyes shine. She is so happy.
It is for me? Really?
Really? It is a gift. I made this for you, Lena.
This is the kind sentence from before. I made this for you. Say it with me later. For now, wait. Will the little boat sail?
The tide is low. The tide pool is calm and clear. It is a good place for a small boat.
Look, the water is still here. Let us try. Let us sail the boat.
Niko kneels by the pool. Lena holds the boat in her small hands. She is careful.
I am a little afraid. What if it does not sail?
Be patient. Put it down soft, like this. Wait and see.
Lena puts the boat on the water. They both wait. They watch. The red sail catches a tiny breeze. And then the little boat sails. It glides across the pool.
It sails. Niko, it sails.
It does. Look at it go.
They laugh. The boat turns slow in the gold light. It is a small, happy thing. Then the tide pulls back a little. By Lena's foot, in the wet sand, something shines.
Niko, look. Something is shining.
Lena reaches down. She picks it up. It is small. It is smooth. It shines in the gold light.
It is a little star. A smooth star from the sea.
It is a star of sea glass, soft and smooth, the same shape as the star on the sail. The tide left it for her.
The sea has a gift for you, too. The boat has a star. Now you have a star.
2 stars. One on the sail and one in my hand.
Lena holds the smooth glass star. The boat sails. The sea shines. A kind day by the harbor. Let us look back. A few small things. Niko made a boat. He was patient. He came to give a gift to Lena. I made this for you, he said. The red sail caught the wind. The boat did sail. The tide left a smooth star. It shines in her hand. Now say it with me, slow and clear. I will say it, then you say it. I made this for you. It is a gift. Let us sail the boat together.
The sea glass is smooth.
The little star shines.
Very good. You did it. You are doing so well.
Now, 3 small questions. Think and answer out loud. 1. What did Niko give to Lena? A boat or a cup? Yes, he gave a little paper boat. 2. What did the tide leave for Lena? A smooth glass star or a big shell? Yes, a smooth, shining star from the sea.
3. When you make a gift for someone, how do you feel? Happy? Shy? Proud? Tell me in the comments.
Asking for help is a kind thing too. You can do it. If you want to practice more, the links in the description can help you. So, here is my question for you. When you make something for someone you love, how do you feel the moment you give it? Tell me below. I read every comment and I answer. Learning English alone can feel hard, but you are not alone. Just like a kind boy can help a small gull, real people can help you too. If you want to keep going, the links in the description are there for you. They are free to look at. Take one small step and you will feel less alone. Niko waited once before on this same sea when the little boat drifted away. He stayed calm. In another story, a man named Owen lost his umbrella in the rain. He stayed calm too and looked step by step. Could you stay that calm? That story is here for you. New slow English stories come out every week. Make it a small moment, just for you. A calm story, a few new words, every week. Subscribe and find all our Calm Harbor stories. Thank you for listening. Take care and keep going.